Hello, this is Amy. Today I will be doing a demo on the new skincare set from Atomy. It's called Hydra Brightening. So there's a couple things that I like about this set is that there's not a lot of step for you to put on your face, and essence is already containing the toner and the serum, so which just means that you don't have to put the toner or the serums on your face. And the third things I like about is that I could use this when I'm in a rush and I just need some things on my face to keep my face moist the whole day. That's what I like about this set, is for easy going. So you will be using this essence first. Just open it. This is how it looks like, and it just pump some on your finger. Just put it all over your face. The second step is this one. Just massage over your face with this product. Don't forget your neck. Okay, so this is how you use the brightening set from Atomy. And if you want to know more information about the product, I'll be put the link below. And if you have any questions, concern, please jot down your concern and comment below as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye bye.